Well, hello everyone. It's nice to be back to somewhat normal. This video is basically more maintenance, and I do have some before and after for you newcomers, or for as a reminder to you folks that have been here from the beginning. You can see Chip there in the background. He's getting ready to go, and I promise, as I said at the end of the video, I promise next week Chip is coming back to work. You'll see the yard, the backyard, once I get done today, and how cleared out it's starting to get. Still got a lot of limbs and tree work to do, but we'll get there. There's a before picture of that area, and the stump is finally gone from there, that dead log and all that stuff. So anyway, I won't be talking through the whole video. I'll just let it run, and I'll chime in every now and then. We did just get back from the river. I was able to almost finish the deck. I don't know what Jocelyn and I had, but boy, our strength was just sapped. We're both feeling much better, and obviously everything is good. So I did have a chance to go over there and do this the other day, and it felt pretty good. So anyway, enjoy the video, and I will talk to you a little bit later. I had to jump back in right here. Notice this area right here. It is, I mean, the entire ground is not covered with grass, but where you see the grass, there's not a lot of those nasty weeds that were growing up 2 feet tall. The more I cut it down, the better control I have of the weeds. So you know, we're getting there. There's a lot of wood chips in that area, and they're breaking down as we speak, and you know, providing nutrient for the soil. But anyway, that's a pretty thick grass right there. You know, hopefully the whole backyard will be that way when we get done. So I like looking at that, and I like being able to ride through and cut it too. Whoops, a little wobbly there. There are still a lot of real small sticks and debris in the ground, and even if I had Brutus, that thing doesn't like get down to ground level and mulch up everything if it's already laying flat. This mower is probably the best thing for it, but I'm going to go through one day and just pick up a lot of these sticks, make some small piles, so as Chip is working, I'll just throw those in there. But there's a lot of debris on the ground. I'll be glad when that's cleared up. I must say I'm impressed with the front yard. Not the work that I've done, but the fact that it seems to be coming back. There's still a lot of little things to do in the front. I got some of those smaller trees are kind of dead. I may cut a couple of those out. I'm gonna limb up the magnolia trees, as I said. Another layer of branches up, so I don't have to take my head off when you're cutting under it. And around the corner where the AC unit is, there's a couple of cedar trees that need to be limbed up pretty good. But there's not much grass growing back in that corner or to the right of the front porch. So I'll do wood chips in there. I'll just do a thin layer, and hopefully they'll keep the weeds down and grass will come back. But very impressed with the front yard. It's coming along well, but like I said, still got a lot to do. I've had a few people ask me, how long I'm going to stay here. If I leave, will it go back to where it was? Well, I'm going to stay here and do this as long as I'm able to. I enjoy it. There's no pressure from anywhere, but I'm going to keep doing what I do. Stephanie sent me put a nice comment and sent me a nice message that she wanted to do more to be able to help out when she's able, and so we'll talk, and get her out there to help me out a little bit, maybe doing some minor things if she wants to. But again, that's up to her. And again, folks, no one is asking me to do any of this. I'm doing it of my own free will, and I'm enjoying it. And service work is not something that we can sit around and say, well, they wanted me to do this, so I did it. Service work is you just go do it. We've needed help in the past, and these are good people that needed a hand to get going, so that's what we're doing. Thank you all for the great comments. Jocelyn and I want to thank all of you for supporting our channel and watching the videos. It means a lot to us. We like interacting with you and talking with you and so on and so forth. We'll try to do another face-to-face at some point. But I'm putting together a video of the river now, a short video of the river and the deck and stuff like that. And I'll put that up probably next week sometime. But I'll be back over here early next week to put Chip to work. He's ready to go. So we'll have that video coming up very soon. Thanks again, folks.